How to buy iPhone from Apple Store online. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy an iPhone from Apple Store online. Whether you're upgrading your device or buying your first iPhone, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First is visit the Apple Store website. We'll search Apple Store online and click the first link. So here, click on the store on top of the screen. Now you're here. On the Apple Store page, navigate to the iPhone section. Here, you'll see all the available iPhone models. For this example, I'll choose the iPhone 16 Pro. Click on the Buy button. Next, you'll need to customize your iPhone. I'll choose iPhone 16 Pro and Black Titanium, 128 gigabytes, and click No Trade-in. So here, click Buy, and here, choose a carrier, and click No Apple Care Plus coverage, or if you like, Apple Care with theft and loss coverage. I'm gonna click this. Now we're going to add to bag. After adding the iPhone to your bag, click on the review bag. This will take you to your shopping cart where you can double check your order details. Once you're ready, click checkout. You'll be given the option to log in with your Apple ID or continue as a guest. For this tutorial, I will continue as guest. So now you'll need to enter your shipping address. Start by your zip code followed by the rest of your address. You can choose between home delivery or in-store pickup depending on your preference. Finally, you can review your order one last time, enter your payment details, and confirm your purchase. Once everything is set, place order and your iPhone will be on its way. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to buy an iPhone from the Apple Store online.